Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a donation app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. You can use your own data from spreadsheets and connect it to various components and actions to build interactive and beautiful apps. Glide also uses AI to power your apps and make them smarter. You can share your apps with anyone using a simple link or a QR code. Glide works on any device and adapts to any screen size. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, building a donation app in Glide is an effortless process, allowing you to efficiently collect and track donations. To start, navigate to the left menu and select the Templates option. This will redirect you to your template page, where your existing templates are stored. To access the template store, press the Template Store option. This will take you to the Templates library. In the template library, you can see a comprehensive collection of templates categorized for easy browsing. You can scroll through the categories from the left menu or use the search bar to quickly locate a specific template. For this tutorial, we're seeking a donation app template. Enter the keyword donation in the search bar and select an appropriate template from the results that appear. In this tutorial, we'll use the first template, Community Donation. Upon selection, you'll be taken to another page with two options, Create this app and Preview. Clicking Create this app will launch the editor for further customization. Within the editor, you'll notice a top bar with three options, Data, Layout, and Action. The Data section of the editor will enable you to manage and organize the data your app will use. Here, you can add new tables or modify existing ones, import or export data, and configure relationships between different data types. The Layout section is where the visual design of your app takes shape. You can add or remove components, adjust their settings, and arrange them in a way that suits your requirements. The Action section, as the name implies, is for configuring what happens when users interact with your app. Click plus New Action to add a new action or utilize the existing actions provided on this page. Once you're satisfied with your customization, publish your app by pressing the Publish button at the editor's top right corner. After publishing the app, you will notice a Share button will appear in the same location. Click this to reveal multiple sharing options, including a QR code, a direct link, or the ability to invite users via email. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial on building a donation app using Glide. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.